How to create a private server in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make a private server in Roblox. So first of all, you need to go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now from the homepage, simply go ahead and select any game that you'd like to play or you'd like to create a private server for. Now from this page, scroll down and go to its private servers option. Now on the left side of this box, you will see the option of create private server, which is below the hide private server. Tap on it. So creating a private server, you will see that it usually costs 100 Robux or 150 Robux, which is according to the game. Now if you don't have enough, you will need to go to the Roblox store and buy some. You can create servers for many games this way. Some games even offer free private servers. For example, Blox BNB. If you go to its private servers tab in the bottom and tap on create private server, you need to enter the name for your private server, and then after tap on buy now, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. This way you will be able to create a private server in this game without any problems. Now you have a server you can customize and play with your friends. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.